This is London with Bitcoin Spike and VIPTrader.com. We're going to go through Bitcoin. We have some issues to talk about in terms of technicals. China just re-announced a zero tolerance policy for COVID. The zero tolerance, they're a dynamic clearance. It's had an impact on currencies and crypto, anything risk on. Let's pay attention as the dollar has gotten a bit of a bounce. I'm going to go through as well today. Guys, it's London with Bitcoin Spike, former hedge fund owner, private, non-SEC, not financial advice. We'll talk about laddering. We'll talk about scaling. I'll talk about our VIP #1 trade group and what were we doing, essentially what I was doing to try and prepare the VIP in terms of this move. #1 trade group joined today. We're always looking for the #1 traders in crypto. Now, pay attention very quickly before we go over. I'd say the back rooms, just in terms of some of what I brought to the VIP. Take a look at the hidden parabolic curve here. This is very important. I brought this to the VIP. I always bring them the first look at the charts. Without a doubt, I want to reinforce that exclusive benefit along with our specific indicator. Taking a look at the quantitative kernel delimiter. You guys got it. You see the fire sale line below here. The fire sale line, let's go ahead and highlight that, would be just about in touch with the specifics here. If you look at that parabolic curve, absolutely, our fire sale line is an optimal level of entry to try and reinforce that level of support. And please, on your desktop computer, make sure that you are plugged in with the dynamics of this parabolic curve. Very important. I don't think the majority of retail is looking at it, but I wanted to bring it to your attention. I brought it to the attention of the VIP. Now, in terms of how the day has gone, what was I doing trying to prepare the VIP? Well, first of all, I've brought this in the back for the VIP. We will be shooting a video on it so that you know what is laddering, okay? Laddering, essentially the whole idea, capital management. Top levels have less exposure. We'll talk about stacking and scaling your orders. Without a doubt, I want to go through the details. The first big picture item here is you would look at laddering. Let's go through the definition so that you understand. Traders set orders at lower step downs in price, okay? So as price would drop, you'd go down to lower rungs in the ladder levels of your orders. Right now, what is scaling? Scaling would be traders increasing the trade amount at each lower level. You understand? So you would scale in as you look at the pictographic here. Notice on each level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4, down to level 5, you'll notice more coins, right? You'll notice more leverage. Level 6, more coins, right? As you would get into level 7, 8, and 9, look at the majority of your coins are stacked towards the bottom, right? So as you would look at scaling, laddering would be at the different price levels. You'll see to the left different price levels. You understand where we're going with this. So laddering in and scaling in with heavier exposure to the downside. This is the work I was doing in the back for the VIP today. I've given them this infographic. We'll be shooting a specific video for our VIP library. Taking a look at catch and release. Catch and release is a methodology as you would explore the lower levels, okay, the lower rungs in the ladder, the lower price levels. Catch and release is a notion of the following, guys. Traders would release a higher price trade right after they catch an order at a lower price level, okay? So you'll release a trade right after, and I like this catch and release, guys. This is my work. This is VIP, okay? But catch and release is once you catch, and I want you to frame this properly, catch a lower level trade and then release if you so choose, okay? So that, and you would do that in an instance if you were to have leverage, right? A leverage position and a carry down, right? You would want to make sure that you didn't carry down something with leverage if you could replace it, right? You don't want to, let's say you want to limit your exposure to the downside. So the effect of a scaled ladder is what, guys? Bottom of the ladder has the heaviest orders, big time. So that is in line with our VIP way to be, which is maintain heavy cash reserves always. So this is what I was working on today before the small breakdown in price action. I'll tell you, we love the volatility. We loved trading this morning. What was it? We caught 2 bull flags. The Matic micro flag in the back. Congratulations to the VIP who traded because Matic did very well from that bull flag to the upside. I believe set a flat top on the hourly if you guys want to look at that. Doge preceded in a micro bull flag as well. Catching these moves in the back is a big part of VIP. I want you guys, if you're trading sheep, to be careful on that 1 hourly. That 1 hourly gave an indication. Anyone who shorted on sheep in the back, congratulations. Have to say, guys, flat bottom support. that descending line of resistance. Hey, before that breakdown in price action, exciting that the VIP are growing, that we're building in 2022. I will show you very quickly a few of the details as we were to look at. Let's dig into the real action here on the trade setup that we have. Now, in terms of the Matic move, just catch this, guys. From the morning, that micro bull flag, boom, nice move to the upside, then move to the downside. I've got Doge on top. I would just let you know that we just ran into our specific fire sale line. Bam. So especially if you laddered in anywhere below, you'll see that's our fire sale line. We're currently parked. Bam, right at our fire sale on this 4 hourly. A lot of people are interested in that level and below on the 8 hourly and daily. Never overexposed at any specific, let's say one level in that ladder. Now, let's take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly. Let's go ahead and do this on the weekly. Now, you know that this is not exactly what we wanted to see. This right here, pay attention to that. I know you guys know enough about candles. Is it a doji? This is not what we wanted to see for the reset of the week. Guys, you know the New York Institute of Finance, when we jump over, which we just accomplished, we just jumped over the 20 moving average. So we would love to target that top band. The top band would be around that $24,000 mark. We would love to target that top band, but of course we have shown a near doji. Taking a look at this near doji, just right on that line on the 20 moving average. Hey, I'm gonna tell you guys, that's a difficult set on the weekly candle. Right now on Bitcoin, just so that you know what's in play as we step into the lower time frames to get more direction, is gonna be that 4 hourly on the 20 moving average. Okay, the 4 hourly on the 20 moving average. I want you all to take a look at that 4 hourly, please. Critical level, the 4 hourly on that, let's say the 20 moving average on that 4 hourly. This is London. Pay attention to your MACD as well. As you guys know, this trade setup is not just showtime. We have it equipped, and we have, I'll just say we have it definitely laid out properly. So looking at the MACD, the momentum on the 4 hourly is quite troublesome right now. We do not want the 4 hourly to continue to go down. We're losing that momentum on the 4 hourly. Pay attention. I think that's the key time frame right now. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Let's see if we can reinforce this nice parabolic move to the upside. Exciting to bring you information about laddering, exciting to bring the VIP in the back, all of, guys, the charts, to bring the overall group is amazing this year. We're so excited to be building. Thank you all for your support during this time when we are actually building. And you may say, well, what are you building? We just have to tell you, in terms of the HQ, in terms of our proximity here on the beach, La Jolla, we love it, guys. This is the crown jewel of California. We're so excited to be out here. And as we look at the setups that we're putting into play for VIP, we do not want anyone to feel second best whatsoever. We have just got the entirety of the HQ is about to be hopping. We've got new cameras, camera experts. We've got everything to build in 2022. If you want to beat the market, I will invite you to join. Of course, I'm not plugging or promoting. You need to understand why I bring you the opportunity, because we want the best traders in our group, bottom line. So if you want to beat the market, you found the right group, bottom line. I promise you guys, you found the right group. We're full of guys and girls that we want nothing more than to overachieve, than to achieve alpha, which is that percentage by which you beat the market. So let's go. 2022 Q4 is here. I know bad news from China. Stick into your lower time frame technicals. We'll be trading in the back. This is London with Bitcoin Spike and VIP Trader.